Joseph Giovanni has been inspired by nature, and nature creates a beauty that is very difficult to match. Our model is wearing dogwood jewelry, which is inspired by the dogwood flower, native to Carolina and Japan. It is a beautiful flower that we felt compelled to mimic, and created in 18-karat gold with a chiffon look. The lemony finish is exclusive to Joseph Giovanni. The flowers on the necklace and the earrings are almost the same size. The brooch, however, has been designed as a bigger representation of a flower so that it really stands out on the dress. What makes this product different is the chiffon look, which is bringing out the beauty of the gold from within the material. Every piece is unique, and it is handmade by our craftsmen, and it is made in the good old USA. The diamonds on the flower sparkle and add to the glowing beauty of the jewelry. Our designers create other flowers that translates the beauty of nature into an enhancement of a lady's attire. The product is made in the United States, and Joseph Giovanni is one of the very, very few companies that could export to Italy. We manufacture everything in-house. We do not outsource anything, and we take all the ingredients, including the inspiration, from nature. A flower is a creation of perfection, and also it is timeless. The dogwood is part of Giovanni Botanical collection. This product is available all over the world. People who appreciate beauty would love to see it on their loved ones or themselves. You can give a flower that lasts forever.